There are stories in the Bible that are rarely preached, stories that didn't make the headlines, but quietly changed destinies, families, and even nations. Today, we uncover hidden Bible stories that changed everything, stories that may hold the key to your own breakthrough. Stay with me till the end, because the last story might surprise you. Number 1. Enoch, the man who never died. Enoch is one of the most mysterious people in the Bible. The Bible says in Genesis 5:24, Enoch walked faithfully with God. Then he was no more, because God took him away. No sickness, no death, no funeral. While others lived and died, Enoch walked with God so closely that God simply took him. Hidden lesson: God values relationship more than ritual. When you walk with God daily, not perfectly, but faith. Number 2. The Shunammite woman, faith that spoke life. The Shunammite woman appears briefly in 2 Kings 4, yet her faith shook heaven. She received a miracle child after years of barrenness, but later, the child died suddenly. When asked, "Is everything well?" she answered with just 2 words, "It is well." Even when holding a dead promise, she spoke faith, and God honored her faith by restoring her child to life. Hidden lesson: sometimes your miracle responds not to tears, but to faith-filled words. Number 3. Mephibosheth, from rejection to restoration. Mephibosheth was crippled, forgotten, and hiding in fear. He was a grandson of King Saul, but living like a nobody. Then King David asked a powerful question: "Is there anyone left from the house of Saul to whom I can show kindness?" Mephibosheth was brought to the king's table, not because of merit, but because of covenant. From that day, he ate like a son of the king. Hidden lesson: your past does not disqualify you. Grace can lift you from shame to honor in one moment. Number 4. Rahab, the woman God rewrote. Rahab was known for her past, a prostitute in Jericho, yet she believed in the God of Israel before seeing a miracle. Because of her faith, she and her family were spared. But her story didn't end there. Rahab later became part of the lineage of Jesus Christ, from rejection to redemption, from shame to legacy. Hidden lesson: God is not intimidated by your past. He specializes in rewriting broken stories. Why these stories matter today. These stories are hidden, but their lessons are loud. They remind us that walking with God matters. Faith speaks even in pain. Grace restores what was broken. God can rewrite any life if God did it for them. He can do it for you. If this message touched you, please like this video. It helps others find it. Comment below which story spoke to you the most. And subscribe to this channel for more powerful Bible stories that build faith and hope. Remember, your story is not finished yet. God is still writing.